Would you drink this? What if I told you that I could turn some of the dirtiest, most contaminated water on the planet into safe, drinkable water right before your eyes? Sounds impossible, right? Well, today, we're putting that to the test with the Life Straw. First up, Level 1. A mildly dirty water sample, lovingly prepared by my team. At first glance, it's not too bad, just a little cloudy. But the real test is in the taste. Oh wow, it's crystal clear, and surprisingly not awful. But that was just the beginning. Now Level 2, a mix of thick mud and algae. The Life Straw claims to filter out 99% of bacteria. But can it handle this? The water looks clean after filtering, but the taste? Let's just say, it's earthy. Still, I'm alive. But here's where things get crazy. Level 3. A nightmarish concoction of anything and everything my team could find. And yet, after passing through this tiny straw, the transformation is unbelievable. I swear, this isn't an illusion. Just look at the difference. 1 in 3 people globally don't have access to safe drinking water. But this small device could literally save lives. Would you trust it? Would you drink it? Let me know in the comments.